Wow, hello everyone. How's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare channel on YouTube. You must be so happy that you found my channel, the best channel ever. I'm just kidding, guys. What's up? How's it going? My name's Dylan. Nice to meet you. Giving you a little virtual handshake, you know, give me a handshake back. I want it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for all of the recent support, all of the recent comments, all of you guys leaving down your thoughts. Some of you guys even making videos about me, you know, thank you guys so much for all of that. I know crazy stuff going on. Stay tuned for the car giveaway. It is coming. Thank you all for 10,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Today's video is pretty nuts. Uber is now giving people free rides to the doctor's office. So I'm going to be going over that. But before I get into that topic, please, if you drive for Uber, give the video a thumbs up. If you drive for Lyft, give the video a big thumbs up. If you just like making money, give the video a thumbs up. If you just watch any of my videos at all, you know, that's all I ask you. I'm not selling you, you know, you're a rideshare driver course. I'm not making you pay for anything. All I ask is for a little thumbs up button. It helps me so much. And subscribe if you want to see more videos. All right, enough of that. Let's get into the topic of today's video. Uber teams up with startup grand rounds to give big company employee free rides to the doctor. Also, by the way, yeah, I'm in my tank top, trying to get ripped for the summer. I know I'm a little late, but you know how it is. Sorry. So just don't mind the tank top. Okay, this is on CNBC. You know, very great company. Tons of ads, so they're making money off this. And then this is by Christina Farr. If you guys don't know who she is a very good reporter for CNBC. You probably should know who she is, but here are the key points. Uber's growing health team is partnering with Grand Rounds. The idea is to make it easier for employers to offer free rides to the doctor's office. That way companies can navigate their workers to higher quality care at a lower cost. Honestly, I'm a big fan of access to healthcare. You guys know me. Honestly, healthcare is super, super important. Always go to the doctor. You know, if anything's wrong with you, go to the doctor. Do not wait on it. If the doctor finds something sooner than later, it can literally save your life. I know healthcare in the United States is pretty expensive. It just, you know, basically because, you know, our taxes don't pay for it automatically. You know what I'm talking about. But I like that Uber is doing this. It's a great, you know, step forward for Uber and for us as drivers. You know, let's go into this in detail about how you can get a free ride, how, you know, employees get free rides. They're teaming up with companies to give their employees free rides. So it's almost like an incentive because, you know, when you get a job and, you know, you get healthcare benefits and stuff, and then you get like 401k automatically, it's through your W-2, healthcare, your set wage, you know, increase in wage every year, or however many years. And then, yeah, benefits like dental and then doctor. But now I think Uber is actually giving free rides to the doctor to incentivize people to, you know, take care of themselves more. Because when you're an employer, when you're running a company, the best investment you can do is investing in your own company's people, your employees. That's what I learned in business. So it can go a long way. So that is Uber CEO. His name's Dara. He's a great guy, really good leader. I support him. He's doing really good things for the company. Dara, CEO of Uber Technology, speaks during an Economic Club of Washington event in Washington, D.C. on June 11th. So that was about 8 days ago. But Uber is moving more deeply into the health sector. And that means striking deals so employees and health plans will cover the cost of a trip to the doctor's office. Grand rounds of venture-backed health tech startup. It works with employers to provide guidance on employees' medical needs. That includes things like finding the right doctor or getting a second opinion for complex diagnosis. Uber's healthcare efforts to date have primarily involved non-emergency medical transportation with a $3 billion market. So honestly, I really do like that. You know, there's a free Uber ride to the market here. You know, if you take one thing away from this article, take this away. The Grand Rounds experience with Uber will be different from how consumers normally use the ride-hailing service. Grand Rounds care coordinators will book the rides while they're on the phone with the member and let them know that the rides will be free. The idea is to make it easier for those who don't feel comfortable using the Uber app, as well as to increase the likelihood that they'll see a doctor. So basically, it's Uber's partnering with the company to provide free rides to the doctor. And of course, you know, this is a business deal, so I'm sure that company takes a cut of the, you know, transaction that goes on at the doctor's office, because they're bringing in more people and doctors are so expensive with insurance. They probably just take a small percentage and then they use probably, you know, a percentage of that to pay for the Ubers. So it essentially, Uber's, you know, it's not free, but I guess it's subsidized, you know. The companies are paying for it. I honestly think it's a great idea because a lot of people don't, you know, like taking a cab. But if it's free, I mean, why not, right? Everybody wins. The people get better health care, and then the companies, you know, their employees are more healthy, less sick days, all that stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Grain Rounds is betting that employees will be happy to cover the cost of a $10 Uber ride. Oh, employers, yeah, to avoid getting a bill down the line for thousands of dollars if imaging that didn't need to be ordered, or worse, unnecessary surgery. Working the last mile program here, blah, blah, blah. There's a lot. Yeah, you can check this out on your own. Again, just CNBC. But let me know what you guys think about this. I think it's a great idea, great program for Uber, you know, working on healthcare. Again, one more good thing that Uber is doing probably will help with their stock price. I'm a fan. I love rideshare companies. I love Uber and Lyft. Uber and Lyft have done a great job for me, a great thing for me. Shout out to all the people that I know who work at Uber. You guys are awesome. Keep killing it out there. I don't want to drop any names because, well, you know, this is social media, but, and I don't know if they want to be blasted out on social media, but they're doing a great job. Dara, keep up the good work. I don't know if Dara's watching my videos. He's probably a little bit busy, but let me know your thoughts down below. Do you want a free ride to the doctor? Let me know what you think about that. And yeah, guys, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you want more tips on how to be a better driver, or if you like these news stories too, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. So stay tuned for that car giveaway video. It's coming out shortly. Be on the lookout for that. Yeah, when you guys are gonna get a car. It's pretty nuts, pretty insane. Actually today, my driver, I took an Uber up to, you know, I won't say where I went, but as soon as I got in, he was like, oh my gosh, I watch your videos. So that was pretty cool. Shout out to you. Forget your name, but shout out to you. All right, guys, I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Later, guys. Peace.